No-Bake Energy Bites recipe. Looking for a quick and healthy snack you can make in minutes? These no-bake energy bites are perfect for a grab-and-go breakfast, post-workout fuel, or a sweet afternoon pick-me-up. Packed with oats, flaxseed, peanut butter, and honey, they're naturally sweetened and loaded with energy-boosting ingredients. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, half a cup miniature semisweet chocolate chips, half a cup ground flaxseed, half a cup crunchy peanut butter, 1/3 cup honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, combine rolled oats, chocolate chips, ground flaxseed, peanut butter, honey, and vanilla extract. Stir until all ingredients are well blended and form a sticky mixture. Using clean hands, roll the mixture into small bite-sized balls. Place the energy bites on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Freeze for 1 hour or until firm. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. Tips and variations: swap chocolate chips with dried cranberries, raisins, or coconut flakes for a different flavor. Use almond butter or cashew butter instead of peanut butter. Add a pinch of cinnamon or chia seeds for extra nutrition. Perfect for meal prep. Make a batch ahead of time and enjoy a healthy snack anytime you need an energy boost.